Hello engineers, I am Bhavesh Kumar Singh from Software Automation Pune. We are going to start the session of Siemens Ceramics G120, S120, different series are available. So for that purpose, how we can use the software tools starter version 5.7 and how we can connect. So this point of view, we are going to start the session. So each and every steps we will be discuss. So first step we are going to discuss related to how to go online and how to confirm cable connected between your laptop and your VFD. So just start. Yeah, you can see right now skills. So first step required to here, create new project. Without create new project, we can't go online. For that purpose, required to here first create one project. So just give to project name software training underscore lab underscore 01. So project name is the software training lab 1. Then after, uh, what's our duty? First, required to confirm cable is properly work or not work. So here just going to click accessible nodes. So after the click the accessible nodes, here searching process is going on, and then after we can see result in front of you. If with a square box all the details in front of you, it means properly cable connected. And also sometime possibility this result not successfully in front of you. So for that case is required to first click to your access point and first confirm your path is as per your cable is okay or not okay. Suppose you are using the USB cable, for that case is your laptop only search one device, not search in the parallel PLC and VFD. So just here click device, and you can see here yellow color root, and this root conform to your laptop directly connected to your VFD. Second, you just click to your S7 online, and this condition you can see here yellow color, it means your architecture also cover also discover uh, PLC with your VFD. So right now your proper path we are going to select here device, and then after click to OK, and here we are going to click on checkbox, then automatic accept option enable. Without click on checkbox, not activated accept options. So just here click and accept. Okay, and then wait for the confirm path, and you can see here same access path here activated. And then after I want to go online, so here yellow color tab represent to connect to selected target device. So just click to here, and same path we want to go online. So just click to here, connect to assigned device. It means connect to this assigned device. This assigned device name is here same. So just here click to assigned device, and then after wait for the result. And second steps in front of you, option here automatic activated load hardware configuration to PG. It means you want to upload the data related to PM. PM means power module. So just I want to click to here load hardware configuration to PG, and wait for the next steps. Just after the completion, required to click on close tab. Then for the third steps means after the go online, how to confirm go online. Here, if green color, if red, it means some fault, but here green, it means each and every status is the equal and also healthy, your controller. And next purpose is here. I want to copy paste all the parameters of VFD. So just click to here, load program to PG. PG means PC. So just here click load program to PG, wait for each and every parameters, copy and paste to our systems. Approx 30 to 40 seconds time required for complete these steps. So wait for 30 seconds. And the result in front of you. The data has been successfully loaded to the PG. Close this pop-up, and the next steps, we want to check and read under the configuration tab. So just double click the configuration tab, and here first configuration tab, what is the details? The details is here in front of you. What is the control type? Okay, and very important, what is the details of your CU, and what is the detail of your PM? It means power module. And last one, we can see what is the configure motor details. Okay, so this is the very important parameters. If this motor details not as per your rating grade, for that cases we will go for the commissioning wizard. But right now, first our duty after the go online, read each and every configuration details. And second, DDS and CDS activated or not activated. It means command data set and drive data set. This is the very important features. If your suppose networking fail, and that cases you want to control on the base of drive data. So activated or not activated, right now not activated. And then after unit, it means here as per our Indian practice, SI units standard. And last one is the very important IO configuration. It means related to wiring diagram as per the macro number, macro right unit number. Okay. So this is your first step. Go online and read each and every details. Then after second steps, compare the data. So how to compare the data? Two options. One is the complete compare the data. So right click on the device name and go for the compare. But right now, I just want to compare related to parameters. So just click configurations and not configuration, click on export list and click to a comparisons tab. So comparisons tabs in front of you. So just I'm going to click on comparisons. So clicked here comparisons, and you have the two options. One option is backup to backup compare. It means online to offline backup compare. And second is online to factory default setting compare. So right now we are going to click on online to factory default compare. So just select factory setting and click to here start comparisons. And right now, right side, we can see which type of the comparisons, unequal, equal. So right now I want to just only and only unequal parameters. Okay. Yeah, deactivated, activated. So just click to it, activated, visible, not visible, access level 4, access level can be changed. So just here, click to it, can be changed. Okay, so access level password is required. So just here visible. Okay, so just click to here, start comparisons tab and wait for the result. So I hope 30 to 40 seconds time will be required. And after the result, we will be save the data is in PDF format. So wait of the result. And this is very important for the learning in the future. Suppose you want to learn existing parameter of your plant. Suppose you have five different applications, and you want to study just like regenerative drive already in your plant, also general purpose drive, also crane applications, conveyor applications, fan and pump applications. So just go online and compare. And then after compare uh, this data, study for the futures. If you want to same type of the application, you want to commission by you. So just here click to print comparison result. So just wait, click on comparison result in the PDF format. So take sometimes means also uh, 2 to 10 seconds. So just wait. So approx number of pages will be 30 to 40 pages. Okay, so your result successfully achieved. So what is the purpose? Purpose is only and only one, go online and compare. So just double click and see the comparisons PDF details. Okay, fine. So I hope these sessions will be useful for you, how to go online and compare existing online data with your factory default parameters. Okay, so please share this video to your colleague, your friends, and if you are first time visit on my channel, so please subscribe. Okay, thank you, and please wait for the next video. Next video, it means each and every video series of the VFD available in the Hindi, but right now this is the English versions video series as per the customer demand. Okay, thank you.